This is the teaser video of the AKKO MOD007 V3. What a way to break my hiatus from this hobby. I haven't built a keyboard for over a month, I think, and this one is just so good. I think this is the highest level of custom mechanical keyboard that AKKO has built so far. Probably near perfect, probably just minus the wireless capability. This thing has per key RGB. It has a three-piece case design. Aesthetics is very good. Um, VIA compatible. My God. Out of the box, it doesn't need any modding. Awesome stabilizers, and there's no hollowness at all. There's a very awesome sound signature. I really love it. I really love it. All I did here was tune the stabs, uh, force break mod. Although I think the force break mod honestly did not do much for this one. As it is really good. The design is really good. Um, yes, it's foamy. It's foamy. It's bouncy, and I love it. Stay tuned for the full review.